The majority of my life, I've gone back and forth with the idea that perhaps this reality is a form of a prison. Perhaps we're in hell. Perhaps we're in purgatory. But recently I had an understanding, a realization that I've come to, and that is, imagine you're locked in a box. This box can be a prison or your home. You have to decide that. You can use the square space that you're in to bang your head against the walls, to scream, to cry, or you can spin and dance around. And you can decorate the walls with beautiful dreams and ideas and artwork. You can explore yourself and imagine what might exist beyond these walls of your box. So you can turn that prison into something that helps you grow, that helps you improve yourself. The walls don't change, but perhaps they become a little bit more transparent through imagination, through dreaming, through exploring yourself, because going inwards is infinite, just as it would be going beyond the walls. So this idea, this concept has helped me overcome something that I have been struggling with for a long time. A negative emotion or negative idea that weighed heavy on me. Because if you're trapped in a prison, of course that doesn't feel good. Not all of us have experienced that, but many of us have. Especially if you're in the United States. And those prison walls can be very heavy. But through imagination, through not embracing the fact or the idea that you're in a prison, but embracing yourself, embracing the potential within yourself, embracing your imagination. And I don't mean necessarily to lie to yourself or to daydream, but to explore yourself philosophically, fundamentally, ethically. Just go deep inside, as far as you can possibly go. Keep going and going and going until you've reached what seems to be your core, and then try to push past that even. But for me, this has turned those, what may have been potentially prison walls, into perhaps not even walls at all, just something that fades away in concept. Because you can go inward infinitely. And I fall back on that, even if if you accept that they are prison walls, and that you are trapped in hell or purgatory or whatever it might be, a prison, you can still decorate the walls with your imagination, with your art, with your creativity. You can make it beautiful as you can, as beautiful as a prison or purgatory can be. And as you're going inward and bettering yourself and becoming stronger and have a better grasp of who you are, a better understanding of who you are, that expands your understanding of the entire universe, of all creation. And I think this puts you in a better situation to not only help yourself, but to help everyone else around you who is accepting that they're in a box that is a prison or a box that is hell, and they're suffering, and life is not easy for them. And it will put you in a place where you can reach out a hand to these people and perhaps make life just a little bit easier and change their entire universe in that sense. That's all for now. Thanks for listening.